Welcome back traders into another video. So in this video I'm going to share a very good and very profitable order flow trading strategy, or you can say footprint trading strategy, that you can use for day trading. And it is a very profitable trading system, and you can say this is one of the best method that you can use from the order flow. But if you are not familiar with the order flow, then you have to check the complete playlist from my channel. You can refer these basic video for order flow introduction. So this video is for those who know the basics of order flow trading strategy, or what is order flow. So I'm not going to explain that, but I'm going to explain the method. So what if I tell you that after this candle price is going to go up? Like you can see, this is marked with, or you can see this particular candle is highlighted in this particular zone, or you can say a type of box. You can see right over here. So what if I tell you that this is a bullish candle, and after this price is going to go up? You can clearly see. And what if I tell you that, let me select this one. What if I tell you this one? You can see right over here this. What if I tell you that after this particular candle, this one, that price is going to go down? And what if I tell you that if I select this one right over here, this is the one. What if I tell you that after this price is going to go up? So as you can see, also there are other data that I can show you, but this is how this strategy going to be work. So what you have to do, actually, this is the QuantOut software. I already shared the detail in a previous video, previous order flow trading strategy videos, so you can refer those video for this software. You can install this software, but if you need any other help, you can message me directly on Telegram, or you can message me in the comment section. So I will drop the link of the playlist and the software in the description of this video. So what you have to do, if you are familiar with this software, what you have to do, you have to enable this quick menu. This you can enable from here. So after enabling this menu, I already enabled this, you will get this tool list in the bottom side of this software. So these are the tools. So for this particular strategy, or this particular order flow strategy, you have to only enable this one, the power trades. So what actually these power trades mean, let me explain a bit about this, but I'm not going to get into the detail because you just have to use the method. Okay, and method is quite impressive and quite good. Almost you can expect 100% win rate if you follow with proper instruction that I am delivering in this video. You have to follow those instructions. So if you are going to follow those, you will get 100% result from this order flow trading strategy. Okay, so let me show you what you have to do. You have to click on power trade and you have to enable this. So if you are familiar with this with the order flow method, this total volume is the one that you have to change. By default you have to check what comes in the software. You have to change it with the 100. So what it going to do, it going to analyze the 100 traded particular candle, in particular candle where the 100 loads traded in 3-second time interval. So this is the settings, and in advanced setting, what you have to do, you have to change the basis ratio. This is the most important part in this order flow trading strategy. This one right here, filter by basis ratio. You have to set it 60. As currently I'm looking into the gold chart, so as per my back test and as per my experience, you can choose it above 60. That is a very that is going to be give you a very good result. If it is around 90, then that is going to give you a very good result, but above 60 is also going to give you a good result. You can change it as per your convenience, but as per my experience, this is going to give you a good result. So what actually it is going to do, I will explain the basis ratio later, what is basis ratio. But if you want to learn, you can directly message me what basis ratio is doing, how we can do that. But I'm just going to share the method. Okay, I'm just going to give you the setup. So what actually you have to do, whenever, so after enabling the power trade, this table appear in the right side of your chart, this right over here. So what it is going to do, it is going to scan your settings. So as per your setting, it will scan for the minimum 100 load in 3 minutes. And in the, sorry, I forgot to add one more thing that you have to do. In the power trade, in advanced settings, you also have to change the delta. As you can see, okay, for this method you do not need to change, but if your delta is below 30, that is, I think, not going to work very good. So you can change the delta to 30. So let me show you again what it going to do to your settings. So after enabling this delta, you will get this table on your right side of your software. So it is going to get these data right in front of you. So what you have to do, in the case of red delta, you have to look for sell. In case of buy delta, you just have to look for buy. So as I already shared you the method in other order flow trading strategy, I'm not going to get into the numbers, but we just going to focus on the strategy of this power trade. So what you have to do, just go for buy in the green one and go for the sell in the red one. Let me show you some another example. Okay, also keep in mind that this is a scalping system. Okay, you do not have to hold, and also you should be aware about the money management. If trade going to get into against your side, then you have to add, like you have to use average method. You have to average it down and then you can close, but overall trade going to close in green. Let me show you some example from this scanner. So latest one that we can see is this right over here. This is in the date of 28/6. So when you click on that, it automatically going to give you that particular candle. So as you can see, in this case, this is from this candle. So as you can see, whenever power trade appear on your chart, it signal you directly there. So at this particular location, you can see the price is around 1936. So in the same candle, we have seen a good move, and the low from the candle is 1933. Also, if you want to hold for particular candle, like this is for 5 minutes, you can hold it. Okay, so after going to go up, you can add through all these candle like with proper money management, and you can see the price reversed back to down. So you can close with those average and you can get a good profit. Let me show you another example. If we look at this right over here, this one and this one. Okay, this one is right here. So whenever you click on these bar, it will directly take you to the candle where this data appeared. So as you can see, this one is from this candle and this is red. So as you can see, after indication, you can see a good decline of $3-4 easily you can get. Okay, let me show you this one. 26.5. This one is bullish. Okay, this one showing you a green signal. So as you can see, you can enter at this candle right over here in this candle. Okay, and let me show you the C price uh, after this data or this candle price started moving down, but you have to manage your trade accordingly. And after this we have seen a good bounce. You can see clearly a good bullish move. So for stop loss, you either have to wait reverse position, like if this is green, then you have to wait for negative. Okay, but as per my back test, you will get 100% result. The only drawback of this strategy is that you will get few trade. As you can see, only one trade in this state, one trade this state, one this, and one this, and in this particular date you have good numbers. Okay, so you have, this strategy is good, only good for those who are serious and who are sitting in front of computer full day. Okay, because this is going to give you a good result. When you sit in front of system, it automatically play sound and it automatically generate alert in front of you, so that you will get enough time to enter into the trade. So what you have to do now, you have to back test it. You can, if you want more entries with this, then you can play with the settings like 3 minute, 5 minute, and you can change the volume and you can change the basis ratio. So overall, this is a very good and very profitable order flow trading strategy that you can use in gold or other forex pairs also. So if you have any question regarding this, you can ask me anytime in my Telegram channel. I will try to respond as soon as possible. So I will explain more method with the order flow and more strategy on footprint or order flow. So you can join the Telegram channel from the link in the description. So we will discuss there. Thank you.